Have you ever smacked a cucumber? Did you know that you could smack a cucumber? I'm sorry. All right. I've made so many fucking salads, you won't believe it. This one is by far the fastest and arguably the most delicious. 3-minute salad. This is smacked cucumber salad. When you smack a cucumber, you denature it. So instead of cutting it and slicing it and keeping the structure in the cucumber, if you smack it with a rolling pin, with a cleaver, with your hand, it breaks the flesh down and it makes it more porous inside, and it allows the pores to then soak up the dressing, right? So that's why it's called smacked cucumber salad or smashed cucumber salad. It's a Chinese salad, okay? It's gonna take probably 3 minutes. Okay, so let's get started. This is the fun part, smacking the cucumber. So you take the knife, okay? Take your cucumber, take the side of your knife, like or I said, rolling pin, fist, whatever you want, but. Okay, that is a smacked cucumber. Then you just. That is beautiful. Take your bowl, smack cucumber in the bowl. This salad will make a little bit of a mess, but that's fine. A little bit of salt. Salt is just gonna start to break that cucumber down. It's gonna start drawing the liquid out of the cucumber, okay? Taste it after you put the salt. Make sure you put a good amount. I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple minutes while I make the rest of the dressing, okay? Take another little bowl. I'm gonna go soy sauce. Sesame oil. Now what I'm doing when I'm making this dressing, I'm making it in this bowl, but I'm looking at my cucumbers because I'm imagining putting these ingredients over the cucumbers, and I'm just kind of like eyeballing how much I think it's going to take. Chili crunch. A little bit of brown sugar. Not too much. Garlic. Raw garlic. Because I'm putting raw garlic, guys, I'm going to take the germ out of the garlic. So if anyone doesn't know, the germ is basically the sprout that's in the very center of the clove of garlic, and it looks like that. That part of the garlic is the most intense in strong raw garlic flavor. A lot of times what we do is take that out and it just sort of softens the blow with the raw garlic. You could also blanch it, like in boiling water, a couple different times. Take the germ out and blanch it. This salad's so good. It's one of my favorites. Make it for someone that you love, make it for someone that you like, or make it for someone that you just tolerate. It's delicious either way. Now that garlic, I put a bit of salt, and now I'm just turning it into almost a puree of chopped garlic. Okay, in fresh coriander. Little dressy, tossy, nicey. So I'm gonna leave it there. I think it's actually perfect, but make sure you taste it. This has been sitting for a little bit. All of that liquid that's accumulating there. That's what you don't want. What you're doing is making that cucumber a little bit more intense in flavor and taking some of the water out. You're kind of like making that cucumber flavor a little bit more intense as it is. This is the best summer salad you could possibly think of. Now, cucumber in. Dress it with that dressing. This is exciting. Sesame seeds. Like, what more do you want in a salad? If you make this salad, tag me, send me the picture. I want to see your version. And if you love quick, easy salads like this one, let me know in the comments so I can make more. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, follow, all the fun stuff.